morning guys sa inyo lahat. So it's 9:57 AM. Nag-impake na kami. So, palis na tayo dito sa Wapiti Campground. Okay, tara. Breakfast tayo. Mauna ka na, pre. Doon tayo kakain sa labas. Tapos mag-music ka sa akin. Ha? Yun doon. Yun doon. Sa kabila din. So breakfast muna tayo dito sa Canmore. At syempre enjoy natin yung view, no? Kaya nga ano.
May McDonald's pa, may 7-Eleven.
Oo.
May Tim Hortons pa.
Lahat na nandyan. So, huwag natin kakalimutan susi, baka maula. So guys, tara at punta na tayo ng McDonald's and let's eat para sa breakfast natin. So ito, totoong breakfast to kasi umaga pa din. Kahapon, tanghali na yun eh. Parang lunch na yung ginawa namin. So kaya, let's go inside and take some order. Pare, pasok ako. Ang daming pila. Ay, patay. So guys, mukhang maraming pila dito sa McDonald's. Kaya mo sa loob. Hindi naman, pre. Ito. Yan, order tayo dyan. Marunong ba tayo dito? Kaya mo yan. Sige na. Start order without logging in. English.
Ang bayad na.
Mabilis na. Nice, yan yung order niya. Ano yung order mo, pre?
Quarter pounder.
Quarter pounder. Heavy heavy breakfast na yun. Okay, thank you. So guys, we're done with our breakfast na, no? And labas tayo. Check natin yung motor natin. Excuse me. So busy yung McDonald's ngayon. And tara. So set up na natin lahat. Bossing, kumusta?
Ay, kamusta po?
Ayos lang. Taga saan kayo?
Ano po? Maputoks.
O Kotox. Uy, taga rito lang pala kayo. Taga Saskatchewan kami.
Oh, layo.
Oo. Ang pangalan mo?
Jobert po.
Victor. Oh.
Anong
Nice to meet you.
kay Honda?
Yamaha, alin? Ito, Yamaha.
Ilang cc na yung ganyan kayo?
300cc lang yan.
300cc?
Tinanggal ko lang yung Yamaha R3 na nakalagay.
Pero
para-
pwede naman siya rito. Wala.
Ay, oo. Basta tumatakbo ka ng kahit anong motor, basta tumatakbo ka ng tamang speed, pwede. Saan ka sa Pinas, Brad?
Ano po, Bicol?
Ay, Uragon ka pala, Manoy. Taga Bicolano din ako. Oh, sige.
Ingat, ingat ha.
Salamat, salamat. Oh. Ikaw din, kayo din. Ingat, ingat. Yeah, okay na. Go. Kanan, kanan. Sabihin na lang natin, hindi naman tayo magtatagal. Ay, sa mga park lang siguro yun. Sabi, tanongin natin, do we need to buy a ticket for customer? Ay, doon ka ba yung customer? Oo. Kasi magkaano lang tayo eh. Just taking a picture and then go. Saan tayo magkakam? Balik po dito. Hindi na, doon na tayo magkakam. Hindi magbabayad tayo. Ay, bakit? Sa every camping ba? Yung ba yung hinahanap nila, pass? Sa campground wala. Oo, di ba? Pagpapangin lang natin. Hello. Hi. How are you?
Thank you, where you headed?
Actually, we're just going to Tapacao Falls and then going to Gas. Going to Gas and like that.
You need a park pass. You need a park pass to go to Tekatka to the national park. And you also need a park pass to 93 North to Jasper. Are you just going to be driving through afterwards, or are you planning to overnight in Jasper?
Yeah,
Or
overnight also.
one night. How many nights in the park?
Maybe one night.
One night. $21. So
Oh,
we go till 4 p.m. tomorrow afternoon.
4 p.m. tomorrow after.
Yeah. Does that cover you okay? Do you need more than that, or you good?
Yeah, just $21 for the bus.
Yeah, 21. As long as you travel together, then
Yeah.
it covers both.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah.
And you can just tap the card. That's all. Sure?
Ay, ganun pala.
Did you want to visit Sky anyways or not?
Yes.
Yes? So this is your permit. Obviously you can't leave it on the
Yeah.
vehicle. You leave it keep it on your person. If
Yeah.
someone stops you dressed like me and want to see that, you have to show it to them. And then some information for you.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
Tayo ba wala ka? Lagay mo ka na dyan?
So guys, $21 yung
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down. The summer came for us and showed us what we lost. And I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said. The slowness creeps towards my feet within the light the morning brings to clean the remnants of a dream. Shadows you cannot see, I brush aside. You're on my mind this week. The lows are deep, I fall into the refuge that is sleep. There's nothing in my view but images of you 1,000 times. The summer came for us and showed us what we lost. I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said.
Parking area? So guys, nandito na tayo sa tatakaw parking area. Woohoo! Pinapawisan yung itlog ko ron eh. Pinapawisan yung itlog ko ron. Kanina? Grabe, sabi ko, naku, eto na, ninenervyos na ako nung wag natig doon. Pamlihi.
Yeah, okay lagi. Oh, sanay ako sa mga ganun.
Okay, nakita ko.
Marami kaming ganun doon.
Oo, nung nakita ko, sabi ko, ang bilis naman na ito makaliko. Sa likod ko, ano na ito? Nag-letter L? Nakita mo yung U-turn ko, ang layo, pumunta ako sa kabila. What's your name?
I'm Kevin.
Victor.
Victor.
Yeah, I'm
Bruce.
Bruce. Yeah, nice to meet you guys.
And
I'm Dale.
Dale.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's a good trip for you guys. You're doing it all in one day.
No, third day already.
Oh, you guys are doing great then.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, see you guys.
Have a
Enjoy.
nice day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. So guys, let's go. Maglakad-lakad, tara na, bakbakan natin ang lakad naman yun. Dinala natin yung ating mahiwagang helmet. Saan ang ano? Ah, ito palang guide tour natin si Dale. Dale. So saan ba ang direksyon papunta niya sa malapit sa falls? Doon. Okay, so diretso daw tayo. Ayun pala oh. Mayroong sign no? Takao Falls.
Second time ko na.
Okay, so si Dale is second time na nakapunta rito. And ako second time pero hindi ko nalapitan yung falls. First time kong malalapitan yung falls niya.
Big lineup for me, man.
Yun guys. Yan pala. So ang sabi dito is we are surrounded with ice. Kaya pala hindi nauubos guys yung tubig kasi yung mga naipon na snow yellow sa taas. Yun yung mga natutunaw. Tapos yan yung bumabagsak ngayon dyan. Oh. Yan yung falls ngayon. So ganyang karami yung tubig sa taas. Every summer ganyan karami ang lumalabas na tubig yan. So guys, magpipictorial muna kami.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through. to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So guys, challenge natin na aakyat tayo doon sa taas. Guys, grabe umakyat dito. Grabe. Nakabagod pala umakyat dito. Woo! We made it. So guys, nandito na tayo sa taas na. Woo! This is it. This is it. I made it. So guys, nababasa na tayo rito, no? At parang umuulan. Yeah. Guys, we made it. Natakaw Falls. Woo! Kanya may rainbow pa. Ayan o. Woo! Natakaw Falls. Let's go pa. Basang-basa na ako, guys. Basang-basa na ako. Tara na. Bakas na yung ano. Yung agos. Tsaka yung ulan, basang-basa na ako. Tara, balik tayo sa baba. Grabe. Ayun. Nagawa ko rin. Mission ano tayo. Accomplished. So, pababa naman tayo at meron pa mga nag-aakyat ano. forgot my shampoo. I forgot my shampoo. Para mas mahirap ang pababa. Oops. Yung pantalong ko basang-basa na. Parang ako naligo sa taas. Grabe. Sa baba, papahinga muna tayo. That's quite another way. So guys, meron na tayong kabady sa pagbaba, no? So tara. Ayan, GoPro. Bisa-bisa. Oops, careful. Oops. Yeah, it's slippery. Woo. Hi guys, how are you? So marami pa rin nag-aakyatan dito guys, no? Pwede umakyat. Ano lang ingat lang. Konting tiis na lang. Dito na tayo. First time ko mag-hiking. So successful naman. Maganda. We made it guys. So dito na tayo sa baba ng tatakap. Doon ka ba umakyat? Doon sa taas na yan? Tapos nakita mo na? Ah, ganda. Teka lang, pahinga muna tayo. Pahinga muna tayo. Para akong hihimatayin. Ayan. Para ako ano, yung naubusan ako na ano. Sa totoo lang, pinilit ko lang bumaba kaagad. Baka mapahiya tayo sa mga audience natin. Hinihingal na ako. Teka lang. Pahinga lang ako. Naubos naman ako. Hininga ko. Sabi sa inyo guys, kaya ko eh. Si Dale, sinali. So guys, si Dale sinalenge ako. Akit ako sa taas, so challenge accepted. Woo, I made it. Good job. Inakit na kasi ni Dale yan, so kaya sinubukan ko na rin. Kasi nandito na tayo, eh gawin na natin. So itong Tatakaw Falls is surrounded with ice. Kaya ganyan karami yung tubig na bumabagsak yan sa taas. Nakakapagod talaga, promise. So maganda natin ito, masyado mainit. Nasuot natin ito para poking. Basta yung ano po guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Pantalong ko basa. Yan o. Guys, ito pa sa pantalong. Basa. Kailangan ko magpalit ng t-shirt mamaya. Pantalon, di na. Pabalik na tayo sa parking area. At alas 3 na, so kailangan natin maghanap ng ano, na ba tawag na ng campground doon sa malapit sa Athabasca Falls para malapit na tayo sa Jasper.
Napamatay ka ng tubig pa.
Kaya nga, alam mo ba, uhaw na ako.
Kaya nga, sabi ko, uhaw to pagbaba.
Meron akong tubig tong konti. Gusto mo ba? Mag lips to lips.
Ikaw yung ano, inaano naman kasi maraming gano'n yung ano pa lang.
Oo, may konting tubig ako na naiwan. Isinaling ko na sa ano. Ikaw may tubig ka pala, ano?
Wala. Yun pala, yun lang dalawa yung ano ko. Sabi ko, bibili lang doon. Nakalimutan din.
It's very much a work.
Sige pa rin, dito na, dangan na rin. Ayan ang river guys. Dire-diretso lang. Ice melt yan.